Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys like my previous video, so I got inspired again and I made this video. This is a look for today. I used the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I just freestyled it. I was like, let's just do whatever, let's see what colors you like, just put it on, and I just had a field day. I also did record a video on this hairstyle, so I hope you go watch that. I will try to leave a link here. I don't know, I gotta learn how to do that. So yeah, if you do want to learn how to do this makeup look, it's like a purple, orange, blue, iridescent green on the eyes look, just go ahead, keep watching. Thank you again for supporting. But before you continue watching this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, comment, let me know anything, and let's be friends on Instagram. Go hit the follow button. My Instagram is VIVALAAMZ, that is Viva La Ams. You can DM me if you have any questions, whatever it is, I'm down to answer them. So again, thank you. What, Mom? No, thank you. I'm filming a video. I'm filming a video. With another clean, dense brush. This is gonna be the Bedel. This is the perfect. So now that I have it, I already prepped my face. So I did moisturizer and primer all over my face. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, and as always, I'm gonna begin with the eyes. We're gonna begin with a soft ochre as my base, and we're gonna use the Huda Beauty palette. I always see everybody doing this, and I can't get it right. With a fluffy brush, you can use any fluffy brush, but I'm gonna use the Morphe M330 brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Desert Sand. It's close to my complexion, so why not? If you're darker than me, use a color that fits your complexion, and you're gonna place that all over your lid, and that's gonna be your base color. Cool, so next I'm gonna use the Bedelium Tools 785 brush, and I'm gonna use the color Eden. It's this like cream orange pop soda color, and that's gonna be the transition color, so that's gonna go directly onto the crease. Oh my god, this color, oh my gosh. It's like that like beautiful tan peach, like summer vibe color. I'm loving this. Oh, this could be just like alone. With a tapered brush, I like to use the MAC 217 brush. It's nice and like skinny, but it's gonna be very dense, perfect for the crease. I'm gonna use the color Blazing, so it's an orange color, and that's gonna go in my crease. Now, very precise on the crease. First, I'm going to use a very dense brush. So I'm going to be using the smudge brush from MAC. It is a 214 brush. I'm going to use this color purple. What am I saying? This color Amethyst. It is a nice grape purple. And that's going to go literally right on my crease. And nowhere else. Now with a clean, dense crease brush, this is the MAC 217, I'm just gonna go on the crease and go back and forth, just to blend that purple out. I am adding a little bit more because as you blend, the color does wear off, and I really want that purple to stand out. So I'm just going back and forth with the brushes. So now again, I am blending that purple out. Okay, perfect. So now that I have it exactly how I want it, I'm gonna go in with the color Retrograde, which is a very reflective shade. It reflects greens and purples and pinks, and I'm gonna go and use a flat brush and just start to swipe it around. And as usual, I am gonna put a little bit of setting spray just to intensify that pigment. I like to start off with a dry base first and then pack on the wet color. Have all the color on my lid, have it on my crease, but now I do not want to leave out my outer V because I want to make that smoky. I'm going to use a color Saffron, and I'm going to be using the MAC 217 brush right on my outer V to give it a little bit of that red hint of color. And I also like to drag it out, so I'm going to be dragging it out. Blend a little bit of that saffron right between the edge of the color Retrograde and Saffron, of course. And then I'm gonna use the leftovers just to blend out those edges. Perf! And just to add a little bit more of drama, let's use the color Oud just on that little corner there. With my Burberry Eye Kohl eyeliner, this is in the color brown, I'm just gonna go right on my lower lash line and my waterline. With a pencil brush, I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna smudge it around. And with a regular shadow brush, I'm going to use that color Eden and place it right on my lower lash line. That brown is going to somewhat act like a base for that dark color that I'm about to apply. That's going to go do the 360 around the eye. Another small angled brush, just very tight. I'm going to use the color Saffron, that red, on the lower lash line. And very, very, very lightly, the color Oud, that dark brown. Just a tiny bit, just a tiny bit. Of course, we're gonna wipe all the fallout. Liner done. I did my brows, I did my foundation, I did the setting powder, my highlighting, and my cream contouring. Like I said before, also in my last video, I am a little bit more tan, so I did a spray tan. So I'm gonna be using the color Refined Golden from MAC. And I'm gonna place this all over my hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, to give me that sun-kissed glow. I like to also place a little bit under my eye just to like blend everything together. I also go down on my neck. Basically anywhere that I put that cream contour. And with my Tarte Party blush, I'm gonna put that on my cheeks. And as for highlight, I want something like very nice and pinky and like, I don't know, kind of like iridescent. So I'm gonna be using the Dunes at Dusk. This is from the tan collection at MAC. Old, but I'm pretty sure you can get a highlighter. Like, on she goes onto the highlight. I'm gonna place a little bit on my brow bone. I popped in my lashes and I started recording. Well, I thought I started recording when I was putting the highlight in my inner corners, and I wasn't. But what I did was I used a flat brush and the color Cashmere, and then just place it in my inner corner. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my brow bone. I'm gonna put a little bit on my lip right here. I'm gonna keep it below. I'm gonna use the color Boldly Bare from MAC. It's like a light, it's like a pinky coral color. And I put that all over my lips. And with the color Creme Brulee from NYX, this is one of the butter glosses, I'm gonna smooth that over. Perfect, and I got the look. Oh my god! This looks so... Okay, I got too excited. I just dropped like the whole case of lashes. I love this look. So I sat down and I told myself, I only just freestyle this. Like, whatever you think looks pretty, the colors you like, just throw it wherever and have fun with it. And I did, and I do not regret it. I love, love, love. I definitely am so happy I used that purple. I was like, damn, do I really want to use that purple in that crease? But I'm glad I did because it looks so nice. And all right, so I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you again for watching. I will see you soon.